You have to be pretty thick-skinned to work as a 911 call dispatcher, as you are the liaison between police or emergency responders and people in desperate need of help. Some emergency calls are fairly tame, but more often than not, 911 dispatchers hear some disturbing first-person accounts of horrific violence, and possibly even listen in as these incidents occur in real time. Here is a collection of horrifying and creepy 911 calls. Be warned, these audio recordings are quite disturbing. Listen at your own risk. On March 18, 2015, Michelle Wilkin made global headlines after answering an ad on Craigslist for free baby clothes. Michelle was expecting a baby girl in a few months, so was quick to jump to the deal. Dynell Lane's house sat quietly, isolated in the woods of Colorado. Before Michelle could understand the gravity of her mistake, she was attacked and stabbed. Michelle watched helplessly as her baby was cut from her womb. Dynell had lied about being pregnant and used Craigslist to fish for a victim to provide her with a child. Holding on for her life, Michelle reached for her phone and called 911.
Tell me what happened.
She cut me.
Who cut you?
Downstairs. I don't know.
Okay, hold on.
Responded to.
Hang on. Hold on.
Please. I'm downstairs.
Okay, who cut you?
This girl I responded to was ready for Jack.
What did she cut you with?
A knife. I'm pregnant. She got me on my stomach.
Can you grab a towel or anything you can get in your hands and put it on your wound and press? How far along are you?
7 months.
7 months? Okay. Are you alone in the house?
I don't know.
You stay with me. Don't go to sleep. You stay with me. You're downstairs in the basement? And are you alone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Paul Michael Stephanie was a serial killer active in the 1980s. After killing his victims, Stephanie would call 911 to tell the authorities what he had done. Because of the high-pitched, blubbering manner in which he would speak, Stephanie became known as the weepy-voiced killer.
Don't talk, just listen. I'm sorry what I did to Compton. I couldn't help it. Don't know why I had to stab her. I am so upset about it. I keep getting drunk every night. I can't believe it. It seems like a big dream. I can't think of being locked up. If I get locked up, I'll kill myself. I'd rather kill myself than get locked up. I'll try not to kill anybody else.
Fire emergency.
Please don't talk, just listen. I'm sorry I killed that girl. I stabbed her 40 times. Kimberly Compton was the first one. Oh, my safe. I don't know what's the matter with me. I'm sick. I'm going to kill myself, I think.
Where are you?
I'm just going to... If somebody dies with a red shirt on, it's me. I killed both of you. I'm sorry. I'll never make it to heaven.
Calm down. Calm down.
Will you find me? I just stabbed somebody with an ice pick. I can't stop myself. I keep killing somebody. Yes, please. This is an emergency. Please send a squad to Pierce Butler Road, Molenberg Manufacturing Company, machine shop. Please, there's an ambulance too. There's a girl hurt there.
Can you tell me what happened to her?
Just hurry. She's laying on the ground in the back by the railroad tracks, by the edge here. Hurry.
What's the address?
I don't know.
Who are you?
Omar Mateen, the man responsible for the mass shooting at Pulse, a nightclub in Orlando, Florida, called 911 not long after committing his crimes to shed some light on his actions, which he said were motivated by the US airstrikes in Iraq and Syria. Hearing this man calling other terrorists his homeboys, as well as the clear instability in his voice, is quite chilling. Take a listen.
I want to let you know I'm in Orlando, and I did the shooting.
What's your name?
My name is, I pledge of allegiance to Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi of the Islamic State.
Okay. What's your name?
I pledge my allegiance to Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi Hafidullah on behalf of the Islamic State.
Where are you at?
In Orlando.
Where in Orlando?
Hello?
Hello there. Hi there, this is Orlando Police. Who am I speaking with, please?
You're speaking with the person who pledged his allegiance to the Islamic State, Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi Hafidullah.
Okay, can you tell me where you are right now so I can get you some help?
No, because you have to tell America to stop bombing Syria and Iraq. They're killing a lot of innocent people. So what am I to do here when my people are getting killed over there? You get what I'm saying?
I do. I completely get what you're saying. What I'm trying to do is prevent anybody else from getting in.
They need to stop the U.S. airstrikes. They need to stop the U.S. airstrikes, okay?
I understand that.
They need to stop the U.S. airstrikes. You have to tell the U.S. government to stop bombing. They're killing too many children. They're killing too many women.
I understand that. But here's why I'm here right now. I'm with the Orlando Police. Can you tell me what you know about what's going on tonight?
Well, you need to know that they need to stop bombing Syria and Iraq. The U.S. is collaborating with Russia, and they're killing innocent women and children, okay?
I hear what you're saying.
My homeboy, Tamerlan Sarnaik, did his thing on the Boston Marathon. My homeboy, Munir Abu Salha, did his thing, okay? So now, it's my turn, okay?
You've heard the story already, or you've seen Ryan Murphy's FX TV series, The People vs. O.J. Simpson. Nicole Brown Simpson, along with her friend, Ron Goldman, were both brutally murdered on June 12, 1994. In this 911 call, Nicole reports that O.J. Simpson is trespassing and threatening her. She also states that he physically broke down her back door. You can tell in her voice that she is terrified of O.J.
911 emergency.
Can you get someone over here now to 325 Gretna Green? He's back. Please.
Well, okay, what does he look like?
He's O.J. Simpson. I think you know his record. Could you just send somebody over here?
Okay, what is he doing there?
He just drove up again.
He just drove up
over.
Okay, wait a minute. What kind of car is he in?
He's in a white Bronco, but first of all, he broke the back door down to get in.
Okay, wait a minute. What's your name?
Nicole Simpson.
Okay, is he the sportscaster or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
Wait a minute. We're sending the police. What is he doing? Is he threatening you?
I'm going nuts.
Okay, has he threatened you in any way, or is he just harassing you?
You're going to hear him in a minute. He's about to come in again.
Okay, just stay on the line.
I don't want to stay on the line. He's going to beat the shit.
Wait a minute. Wait, just stay on the line so we can know what's going on until the police get there, okay? Okay, Nicole?
Uh-huh.
Just a moment. Does he have any weapons?
I don't know.
Okay.
He went home, and now he's back. My kids are upstairs sleeping, and I don't want anything to happen.
Okay. Has he hit you today or no?
No.
Okay, you don't need any paramedics or anything? Okay. You just want him to leave?
My door. He broke the whole back door in.
And then he left and he came back?
And he came and he practically knocked my upstairs door down, but he pounded it, and then he screamed and hollered, and I tried to get him out of the bedroom because the kids were sleeping in there.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then he wanted somebody's phone number, and I gave him my phone book and put my phone book down to write down the phone number that he wanted, and then he took my phone book with all my stuff in it.
The dispatch.
What?
What does he say?
What else?
Units, your domestic violence at 30 Correction 325 South Gretna Greenway is now too high. The suspect is now entered in the shelter and it is refusing to leave. It's code too high. Incident 4221 RD 825. Children involved. Just stay on the line, okay? Is he upset with something that you did?
Oh, a long time ago. It always comes back.
In 2010, a family's final moments are captured in this 911 call. The Saylor family had rented a Toyota Lexus during a San Diego vacation. While driving, the accelerator became stuck, speeding them towards an intersection.
911 emergency, what are you reporting?
Yeah, we're in a Lexus.
I'm sorry, your cell phone's cutting out.
We're going north 125.
Mm-hmm.
And our accelerator stuck.
I'm sorry?
Our accelerator stuck. We're on 125 and we're in break.
Okay, northbound 125, where are you passing?
We are passing, where are we passing? We're going 120, Mission Gorge. We're in trouble. There's no brakes.
Okay.
Gorge, and freeway half mile.
Okay, and you don't have the ability to, like, turn the vehicle off or anything?
We're approaching an intersection.
Okay.
We're approaching intersection. Hold on. Pray.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. Oh.
Okay. Hello?
This incident, along with several others, led to a massive recall of numerous Toyota models. This terrifying phone call details the plight of a woman who has been abducted by Sean M. Great, who was fast asleep next to her when she dialed 911. Police were able to rescue the woman and arrest Great at the scene, but sadly, they also discovered the remains of 2 other women on Great's property. Despite this, it is lucky he did not harm the woman, and that he was stopped before committing any other crimes.
911, what is the address to your emergency?
By the 4th Street Laundromat.
What is it?
4th Street Laundromat.
What's the problem?
I've been abducted.
Who abducted you?
Sean Great.
Where's she at now?
Asleep.
Where's she sleeping at?
In the bedroom.
In what bedroom?
There's 2 houses right by the laundry street. And it's in one of those houses.
But you're at the laundromat?
No, I'm in the bedroom with them.
You don't know what color the house is?
No. Please hurry.
Does he have a weapon?
He's got a taser.
Is there any way you can get out of the building?
I don't know without waking him, and I'm scared.
Is there a bathroom in the house?
Well, his bedroom is closed, and he made it so it would make noise.
But if you told him you had to go to the bathroom, he would do something to you?
Yeah, because he had me tied up.
So are you tied up now?
Well, yeah, but I kind of freed myself. So much longer.
Do you hear any officers outside?
No.
Okay, they're in the area. Can you get up and see if you can get out?
I'm afraid of waking him.
Are you laying down?
No, I'm standing right by the bedroom door.
And you can't open it?
What?
Can you open it?
I'm afraid without making noise. Okay, I think I hear him.
You hear him?
Yes, I do.
Okay, do you think you can get out?
Detroit resident Sandra Lane claimed self-defense after gunning down her own grandson, Justin Hoffman, in 2013. He was later found to have synthetic marijuana in his system, and Lane told police he had been threatening her. However, listening to this 911 call, it does seem as though the roles are reversed in this case. Hoffman, bleeding and dying, begs the dispatcher to send help. He gets shot again while on the phone, and you can hear Lane screaming at him.
911, what's your emergency? I've just been shot. What? Who? I've just been shot. Where are you at? Okay, how did you get shot? Who shot you? My grandma shot me. Your grandma and grandpa shot you? My grandma. I'm gonna die. So. Okay, we're gonna stay on the phone with me, okay, sir? I'm gonna get help on the way. Okay? Where were you shot at? Where are you shot? Your chest? Okay, who are your Okay, stay on the phone, okay? Okay, I know we got help on the way. I promise you that, okay? It's in your chest?
Yes.
Okay, did you get some kind of, can you walk or are you sitting?
I'm sitting.
Okay, I don't want you to move. Okay, just keep on breathing. Okay, and it just happened? Are you there? Keep talking to me. Are you there?
No.
Can you keep talking? Keep talking to me? Are you there, sir? Sir? Hello? Sir? Did you just call from a neighbor? Someone must be with them, so he's not talking to me right now. No, I heard someone, but I don't know if it was him or not. Mm-hmm. Sir?
Hello?
Are you there?
I got shot again. Oh,
You got shot again? Are they still there?
Somebody came over.
Are they there?
Oh, yes. Please help. Oh, come on.
This call was placed by a 6-year-old girl in El Salvador. You can hear as she pleads with both the dispatcher and the man attacking her mother. No one will blame you if you can't make it all the way through this one. That was a compilation of some of the most gruesome, heartbreaking and creepy 911 calls available on the internet. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my videos. See you next time.